Time to bring it around town.
It's pretty good for you, for your computer desk.
Yeah, I'm making it
Comes any size
3D.
it needs.
Just for all of you. Pretty sure this little guy is gonna start sinking by the time there's too much weight applied to him as he is on the wall. Hello. And now back to the lamp. Sorry, I don't have any time left, I guess. So, goodbye for now. Aw, he's waving bye to me. As you can see, my next door neighbor tends to have a slow-mo and mouth. Hangerfuss. 8 tentacles, 16 hands. Yes, I know none of you. You're back that way. Alrighty then. Gotta go. Waving back to me as well. It was love at first light. Another seriously weird little thing. A lamp dog for the wall. Oh, it's just a light. It's an air purifier. Forget the usual Christmas lights, we can have icicle dragonflies. Thought this was a Roomba until there was no button and no wheels.